Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Rachel Schlarb along with
Bree Rhodes.
And we want to wish you guys, hoping that you had a very happy holiday and a great new year. And just to let you know, our present to you is some new music coming into the studio.
Best present of all. First up, we have Pirate Signal. Arr. It's pretty good, actually. I thought it was going to be about pirates, so I was sad when it wasn't about pirates. But
probably one of Bree's favorite bands coming into the studio this week.
Yeah, I was really looking forward to some of the new music coming in, just, having that little break. And I'm not disappointed. They have that nice kind of alternative rock sound.
And we've been getting a lot of that. So.
And I think our DJs really enjoyed that sound last semester, so we're going to see if they really like it this semester.
The Rolling Hot 5 would like to present The Gift and The Curse, and this is probably my favorite of the week. I actually asked Bree to put this in the studio. I physically said, hey, we need to have this for the Rolling Hot 5 this week.
She did.
I don't know what it is. It's more of the, I believe, more alternative pop sound.
Yeah,
is what it sounds like. And I don't know, it looks so creepy and spooky, but it isn't.
It does.
Really good.
It's really kind of, it throws you through a loop. It almost looks like it's like scream, heavy metal, but it's not.
Yeah, and so, it took us by surprise. Hope you enjoy it.
Next up, we have Gerald Portman, and wow, what interesting music he has.
I kind of wanted to start beatboxing, but then I realized it wasn't rap, it was more like techno, so.
And we've had a couple of people like that before, like Slow Burning Car.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's gonna fit because it was different, but it wasn't so different that the DJs felt alienated in a way.
But it's kind of it's supersonic. The whole album is called Supersonic, and it has that spacey themed vibe to it. So it's pretty interesting, and it's a little bit different than the techno we've had in the studio before. Alright, so I know I already said I had one favorite this week, but Bree said I can have another favorite.
It's true.
And this album is recently screened. I screened it myself, and my favorite song is Outrace, and this is Shatterscape. And I love them.
They had a very nice sound.
They do, and I want to say it's almost like pop alternative. Rock alternative is really kind of the vibe we're getting.
And that's what I notice about a lot of our artists kind of recently is that they're not just like one genre, they're like a mix of two. And then the two really fit well together. Like something you wouldn't expect, and then you're like, it's like a mashup in a way, but an actual song, not an actual mashup.
And it was really funny. Right after I streamed this song, I put it in the studio to our DJ who was in the studio at the time, Brenna Busby. I said, you have to play this. Right after the song, she was like, I love this album, so I definitely know it's going to be a DJ favorite.
Next up, we have Umphrey's McGee. And what a very interesting name.
You would think by the name title it would be country, but it's not. Mm-hmm. It's rock.
And I think that once you kind of start listening to it, it makes sense.
It makes so much sense. And I think it was so interesting. So it's like, oh, we haven't had a country album in a while. This is going to be cool. And I was like, oh, okay. And it's very chill.
It is.
Not completely slow, but
kind of like a mellow vibe.
Yeah, very mellow. And I think it's going to be a good hit in the studio.
I do too. Thanks for tuning in to the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Bree Rhodes along with
Rachel Schlarb.
And if you want to check out more of us, you can go to orbitmediaonline.com under the music tab.
And you can also check us out on WMCO 90.7 every Tuesday and Friday at 9 and noon. And also, you can check us out on Twitter at Orbit907Music. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.